happy Sunday. So I just want to share with you, like, I want to take a break from my content creation and want to talk about Instagram stories with you. So Instagram story is true that they can't able to bring new people, new followers on your page, but Instagram story is the best place to nurture your community, your existing followers, and to build trust, to build brand authority. And you can post anything. There's no restriction that you have to stick with your branding color, with your niche, with your business on Instagram story for 24 hours. You can post all your Instagram story behind the scenes about your personal life, updates, anything. You can post anything. And personally also, for my business, I mostly sign clients on my Instagram story, and I know what I'm talking about when I say Instagram story features especially, and I love that. So if you are the person who don't know, what to post on your my Instagram story, like how to use it for your business and how to nurture your existing community, your followers on Instagram story, I have, like, you definitely need to check out my Instagram story kit, which is my best selling product. When I say, like, literally 120 people buy this and they all love this Instagram story kit, and you definitely need to check out. Link is here, I dropping, and you should definitely check this out.